A controversial ruling by Education Secretary Betsy DeVos could give more protection to those accused of sexual assault on college campuses. KPIX 5's Len Ramirez is live in San Jose with how some critics say this could potentially stop victims from coming forward. Len?
Well, these new rules are designed to provide clarity for colleges and universities, even high schools, on how to deal with these very difficult sexual misconduct cases. But coming out right now amid everything we're going through and with a short timeline, schools all over the country right now are trying to figure out how they are going to implement them. The new rules finalized by Education Secretary Betsy DeVos strengthens the rights of the accused in cases of sexual assault, misconduct, or harassment on school and college campuses.
These new regulations are the Trump administration saying that the pendulum has swung too far against the rights of the accused in these sexual assault investigations.
Stephen Clark is a former prosecutor, legal analyst, and criminal defense lawyer in San Jose.
What these regulations seek to do is say that to have a fair process, you have to have due process.
The new regulations, which fall under federal Title IX laws, give the accused the presumption of innocence and the right to question the accuser in live on-campus hearings through a lawyer or other representatives.
They're recognizing that cross-examination is, in effect, an inherent right of due process.
But victims' rights advocates say the new rules could make campuses less safe.
They will make victims of sexual harassment and sexual assault far less likely to report.
Stanford law professor Michelle Dauber says she is all for due process, but she disagrees with subjecting victims to confrontations in open on-campus hearings, which some consider cruel and forces them to relive their trauma.
And that representative does not have to be an attorney. That representative can be the accused student's best friend, their angry parent, their fraternity brother.
Dauber also questions the timing of the new rules.
These regulations are being issued during a pandemic in May. They are supposed to be in place by August, even though colleges and universities are mostly closed. That is obscene.
Now, we did hear back from Stanford University on this. Stanford Provost Persis Drell said in a statement, quote, "However the federal regulations might affect Stanford, our goal remains to provide support for our students and ensure a fair, timely, and effective Title IX process." But again, these new rules go into effect in the middle of August, and a lot of schools don't even know if they're going to be open in August. Reporting live in San Jose, Len Ramirez, KPIX 5.